Today we are doing blue bottle. Change a solution's color with a shake of your hand.
So we are still on the oxygen theme here. These are our friends, Roxy and Trent. Hello, the Wilkersons. They're the ones that used to do chemistry with us before they moved to Germany. So they're here with us.
Yep.
We have on our
Shout out to them.
Shout out.
They're our first subscriber.
So we have on our protective glasses, protective gloves, and we're going to be doing the experiment on a plastic tray. So we're going to start with a glucose solution,
which is sugar.
Oh, I lied. We're going to be starting with warm water. Oops. Please hold.
Okay.
All right. We now have our warm water. We are going to get 40 milliliters of warm water.
Okay. And then...
Yep, 40 milliliters. Okay. Place that into our flask. And then we are going to add 1 bottle of glucose solution.
Yeah. Glucose is a sugar.
So we are making a solution containing a reductant, which is glucose, and methylene blue. So we need 5 drops of methylene blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. Now we are going to add 3 big spoons
Of sodium hydroxide.
And that is going to make the solution basic.
Basic?
Mm-hmm.
It's basic now.
Sometimes you just want to be basic.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3.
All right, so now we have 3. So methylene blue takes some electrons from the reductant, glucose, and turns colorless. You didn't add it intentionally. Nope. Oh, yeah, you do. Put that on there. My bad, I'm sorry. And then you mix the solution. So you didn't add it intentionally, but the solution contains a powerful oxidant, oxygen. Okay, put it down. Oxygen can take electrons from the methylene blue, making it blue again. But once all the oxygen in the solution is used up, the methylene blue stays colorless. So we were going to put the flask down, and we are going to
Wait 6 minutes.
not shake for 1 to 6 minutes. And we're going to watch as the color changes back to neutral.
That's cool.
Right? That's science.
Science.
Yes. So, our YouTube followers and friends, we are going to pause and we will check back in with you in a couple minutes. So we've waited about 2 minutes, and you can definitely see that it is definitely getting lighter very quickly now. You can see even more now that we moved that out of the way. So it's still lightening. We probably wait one or 2 more minutes. You can still see some blue in there. We want it to be no, don't touch it.
Yeah.
Because when you shake it, yeah.
Sorry.
So we're gonna try to wait a couple more minutes and get that blue to be completely gone before we make the next reaction. Now, the methylene blue is colorless. You can see just a little bit hanging out at the top there. So even though the solution is now devoid of oxygen, the air in the flask still contains oxygen. So there's no oxygen in the solution, but there's oxygen within the flask. So Jaelynn is going to vigorously shake the flask carefully because it is glass and bring the blue back. Oh, there we go.
It's blue! Yay!
So it reacted again with the oxygen that's in the flask to make it blue. And what do we call that?
Science.
And what are
Oh,
they
by
supposed
the way, like and subscribe down below.
And thanks to our friends Trent and Roxy.
Woo!